Alright guys, we're going to do two of them on this one, and this one is I can change fractions to decimals, and I can determine what the fraction is of base 10 blocks. Alright, so there's 100 blocks here. Again, we've worked on this before, but if I was to color in 10, 20, 30 of these, and I know there's 100 of them, so I would go 100. That's always going to be at my bottom, and I would go 30. Okay, now I need to know that is my fraction, 30 over 100, but I also need to figure out where my decimal is. Okay, so again, we've talked about our decimal always starts on the right of the last number, and then I count how many zeros I have. I have 2, 1, 2. So I move the decimal over 1, 2 spaces, and my it is now 30 hundredths, or 0.30. Okay. Now again, if I want to do another one like this, do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I know my fraction is, because I got 100 of them, I've colored in 40. Alright, and I've got 2 zeros here, so I know my decimal point is going to come right there. So 0.40 or 40 hundredths. Alright, next one is the shaded area. So now you got to kind of figure out what the shaded area is, what is the decimal and what is the fraction. And it doesn't matter which one you do first. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, those are all colored in. So I go, well, I've got 100, and I know I've got 60 colored. There's my fraction, and my decimal would be, I've got 2 zeros, so I would be 0.60. Alright, if I was to do one more of them, I'm going to do 1, 2. Okay, there's 2 of them I've got colored in. So I would do 20, because they're base 10s. There's 20 blocks I've colored in, over 100. I know my decimal is right there, so 0.20. Alright, if I'm given the fraction, or if I'm given my fraction, so if I've got 30 over 100, and it says I'm supposed to color in them, so I know I'm going to color in 30, so there's 10, 20, 30, and my decimal is still going to be 0.3. Alright, there you go. Good luck. Do work on the next couple problems yourselves.